You're a forward-thinking professional who is in deep consideration about adopting 3D laser scanning and drone imagery to your workflow. You know this would greatly improve your team's efficiency, especially coupled with your quality analysis, precise calculations, and high-level reasoning. For some reason, however, perhaps due to uncertainty about how to introduce these technologies to your process, you never make the next step. That's where we come in. Hi, I'm Tamara from 3D Data Pro. 3D Data Pro is a 3D laser scanning and drone imagery service provider based in Denver, Colorado, and we exist to make your life easier. Guaranteed to improve efficiency and results by over 50%, 3D laser scanning is an invaluable technique, and we will help you seamlessly integrate it into your workflow. We are experts at 3D site mapping, graphics, animations, 3D modeling, drone aerial imagery, and many others. However, our superior visualization skills are what sets us apart. Using expertly crafted 3D images and animations, we will help you tell the story of your project site or product. This is important because most people are visual learners. Hence, the most effective way to share your analysis, report, or design is by using engaging graphics and animations that grab attention and are easy to understand. Give us a call today for a free customized estimate. We will help you get ahead in your industry.